Let's dive into the metabolic compass and finally fix the root cause of that heavy mental static. Because if you're struggling with brain fog, it's actually a massive communication breakdown in your second brain. Yep, your intestines act as a second brain. Its microflora literally dictates if you get clear or chaotic signals. So think of your microbiome like a biological compass. It actively navigates your brain and mitochondrial health. A balanced flora points to metabolic true north, but an imbalanced one, a spinning compass, sending totally chaotic signals. This chaos triggers severe systemic inflammation and reactive oxygen species, which basically trash your mitochondrial DNA. The result? Sluggish ATP energy production, leading directly to that awful clouded mind and complete exhaustion. To fix this, we use T8 Mobio Plus from Villavi. It's an advanced metabiotic that seamlessly stabilizes your internal flora. It safely normalizes your intestinal pH and slashes inflammation, all without messing with your natural healthy microflora. By combining 7 specific bacterial metafiltrates with 1 powerful prebiotic, it actively boosts good bacteria reproduction. This incredible synergy efficiently restores your gut microbiota, perfectly optimizing that entire gut-brain axis. Once your internal flora stabilizes, the chaotic signals stop. Your brain and mitochondria can finally communicate clearly again. It is all about reclaiming metabolic north and clear signals. Reclaiming metabolic north and clear signals.